It's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The items that you're going to need today is a mesh dome cap, and I got this one from my local beauty supply store, along with this black headband. And I like this black headband because it's wide, so it will cover more around your edges, a pair of scissors, some T-pins, and some needle and thread. The hair that I am using today is the 28-inch Peruvian Kinky Straight hair from my website, MissUniqueBeautii.Mayvenn.com. I will leave the exact link to this hair in the description box below if you guys are interested. Check out this texture shot. This hair is absolutely stunning. You guys got to get your hands on some of this hair. Now, the first thing that I'm going to start out by doing is applying my dome cap to my mannequin head. And then I'm going to apply my headband to the mannequin head as well. But I'm going to make sure that I flip this headband inside out so that the seams will be on the inside of this wig once we complete sewing the headband on. Now I'm just taking some T-pins and I'm securing the headband onto the mannequin head so that when I'm sewing, the headband will stay in place and it will not move. Now I'm going to begin sewing this headband to the very edge of the dome cap, and when I am sewing this headband on, I'm not putting my stitches too close together, especially for this dome cap, because you do not want the size of the dome cap to change. And what I mean by that is the closer your stitches are, the less stretch and the smaller you are making your wig onto your head. So just keep that in mind when you're sewing your headbands onto the edges of your wig caps. Now, when I am sewing my headbands onto my wig caps, I like to sew one side at a time just so I can make sure that the headband will be evenly sewn on both sides of this wig cap. Now I'm showing you guys what the headband is looking like once I flipped it over around the edges of this dome cap, and as you guys can see, it looks beautiful. Now I'm going to begin with sewing my first bundle on, and the first thing I'm going to do is secure the end of that bundle onto the wig cap. And then I am going to sew this first bundle along the band of this wig cap. I do want to let you guys know that the reason why I haven't been posting on YouTube this week as much as I normally do is because I've been preparing for a huge website launch that will be happening on November 9th. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be big. It's going to be amazing. I'm so happy. I've been working on this for so long, and I just want you guys to just support me any way that you can, and I will leave more information about my huge launch in the community tab when I am ready. Just know that it's going to be something big, and I hope that you guys love it. I really do. Now, I am only using 4 bundles to make this wig, and the reason why I stepped it up from 3 bundles to 4 bundles is because the longer in length of the hair that you get, the shorter the weft will be. So you always want to make sure that when you're ordering anything over, I would say about 20 inches, you should get at least 4 bundles. Just to be for sure that you will have enough hair to complete your wig, because you don't want to finish your wig and still end up with a lot of spacing that can't be covered by the previous tracks in the previous row. So just make sure that you at least get an extra bundle just to make sure that you'll have enough hair to complete your wigs. Right here, I'm just showing you guys the spacing that I kept between these two tracks in the back, and this is, like I said, to ensure that I have enough hair. And this is only one bundle that I used, and as you guys can see, it only created 2 rows. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew on the second bundle, and I'm going to leave 3 finger widths of space in between this track and the track previously before this one. I am going to speed through sewing on this second bundle because it is the same exact way I sewed on the first bundle, and I do want to say that I do not cut my tracks when I reach the end of each row. All I do is flip the tracks over and continue with the next row. Now, a lot of people have been asking me questions on how I do the top section of this wig, so I will be showing exactly how I sew the top section in the next clip, so stay tuned for that. Right here, I'm just showing you the spacing that I left in between each row, and as you guys can see, it is 3 finger widths apart. Now I'm going to begin sewing the third bundle in this middle section, and then I'll be right back to show you guys exactly how I sewed the top section. For this top section, I like to sew my tracks horizontally across. Now, I do not do the U sewing at the top because I want to make sure that I'll have enough coverage with the hair falling more towards the back section of my hair. So instead of me bringing the track all the way up and curving it, I stop halfway and I flip the track right at that horizontal mark, and I just begin sewing back and forth from that point. I really hope that explanation was clear. If you guys still have any more questions, just comment down below and I'll try my best to explain it to you as much as possible. But just watch exactly how I'm sewing this track and you guys could see exactly how this top section is done. Right here, I'm just pointing to show you guys exactly how to finish sewing this section, and I'm going to continue sewing this section off camera and then I'll be right back. This is what the wig is looking like once I went ahead and sewn in all 4 bundles onto this cap, and look at the movement on this hair, on this wig. It is so beautiful. I love it. Now I'm just showing you guys the spacing that I did in between each row. The top section, as you get towards the top, you want your spacing to be more closer together so that you don't have any gaps in the top. But in the bottom section, it is okay to have larger gaps. And that is just to ensure, like I've been saying, that you have enough hair in your wig. And let's say if you do have hair left over in the end, you can go ahead and fill in the hair, the extra hair, wherever you want. Now I'm just showing you guys what the wig is looking like once I start pulling up the headband along the edges of this wig. And as you guys can see, this headband literally covers everything. I love this headband. Now I'm going to show you guys what this wig will look like once I pulled everything up into a ponytail and then created a bun. Now this wig is 28 inches long, which will allow you to do so many different styles with this wig. You can curl it, you can flat iron it straight, you can wear it up in a bun, you could wear it in a ponytail, you could do half up, half down, you could do 2 ponytails, you can do so much with this wig. You can even color this hair if you really wanted. Your options are endless with this wig, and that's why I love this hair so much, because it is so versatile and it still gives you a nice full natural look that you can slay on a daily basis. In this video, I was able to show you guys how to create your own 28-inch kinky straight headband wig using hair from MissUniqueBeautii.Mayvenn.com. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below so that you guys can go get your hands on some of this gorgeous, amazing, voluptuous, voluminous hair. just admire the way this hair flows. This hair is so gorgeous, and to me it mimics natural hair like no other. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!